So I haven't yet got a tripod for the car, and that's something that I need. So I'm gonna just basically film this bit on my phone. So I'm really sorry if the quality is a bit crap. So I'm on my way to Ikea. Yay! Love a bit of Ikea. Please let me know in the comments if like me filming like this is actually okay, because I need to know. I need to know if it's acceptable for the viewer. I'm currently at a roundabout, guys, where a petrol tanker went into the back of me. Got a little bit nervous. Oh my god, there's one behind me now. I think it's just a lorry. But oh, it shits me up. Got so scared because I could just feel it going into the back of me like it did. Oh my god, it was so scary. We're okay. We're okay. This vlog is pretty much a bit of a mishmash of all sorts, to be quite honest. So obviously we've got Amelie's birthday coming up. That is on Thursday, the 8th. I think by the time this actually goes out, it'll be after that. So yeah, we've got that coming up, and it's basically just been a mishmash of like actually doing something for her birthday, because obviously with COVID and everything like that, we can't have a party, we can't have any more than 6 people around the house. Our family is a lot bigger than 6. I'm on my way to Ikea because I've had a brainwave and there's just certain things that I want to change around in the living room. If you watched one of my hauls back a couple of months ago, I changed all the living room round to like a dusky pink. I love the colour, but it is so hard to get anything to go with. Just dropped Amelie off at the childminder so that I can whiz here on my own, because, you know, it's a little bit less distracting when she's not with me. So I've arrived at Ikea and it looks so busy that I think I'm just going to go in, get what I need, and then come out and then basically just let you know what the crack is in there. Basically, I'll be updating things on my home account on the story, so I'll pop up like little bits and pieces on there, so you can always go over there and check out what I found in Ikea, and that is at Canalside, Hatfield on Instagram. So to cut a long story short, Ikea was rammed and crap. There was nothing in there, nothing that I needed. I managed to pick up some new drinking glasses and a rug, like a really small rug. Like when I say rug, like it's more the size of a tea towel. You can tell the things that people have gone there for, because there was none of that. There was none of that. And that seemed to be everything that I wanted. So, but on the bright side, got myself my pumpkin spice latte. So excited about that. Went in. If you are looking at coming over to the Nottingham Ikea, don't bother, because there ain't nothing in there. I'm gonna drive back now and then go and pick Amelie up from the childminders. Do it again. I'm shaking it. My arms are in. She's gonna love them. Yeah. Sorry. Are you singing? Just a couple more, Jack.
eventually we managed to get all of the birthday balloons up. Minnie Mouse. So this is what it's like. She's got her bike and a couple of other presents there as well. She's had a couple of other things, but they haven't actually arrived yet. So, oh, let's turn that around. Oh, there we go. There we go, it's 2. And also, I'll show you the cake that's ready for her. Oh, so it says Amelie, and it's pink and gold because I've done everything pink and gold theme, apart from the random little Minnie Mouse thing. Basically, gonna set this all up and wait for her reaction.
Come on. Come on then. Go on. What's that, lot? Go on.
Abby?
Are you not looking at your bike, though? Have a look. What's that? That's Amy's bike. Do you like it?
Yeah. And who's that up there?
Who's that, Am?
It's Minnie Mouse. It's Minnie Mouse.
Yeah.
Amy's bike. Amy's bike.
Do you want to sit on the bike?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move these.
Do you want to try this bike?
Pressure for the broken one.
Right. Amy, you've got presents.
You got presents? You want to open some presents?
Yeah.
You want to sit on your bike? Look at your new bike.
Look.
Do you want to sit on your bike, look? Yeah, you sit on it then, ready? Hold on to the other handle. Put your leg over.
No.
Yeah, ready? Wah.
Woohoo!
Right, you sat down.
Your helmet. Oh, you need your...
There you go. Good luck. Right, hold on to him. There you go for your legs. Let go. Let go. Right. And hold on to
Are you riding the horse?
hold on to the handle.
Go on then.
Right, ride the horse
Gallop
then.
away.
You don't want it?
Right, okay, put it back then. Good girl.
And what's this?
That is a poo. Do you know what I thought? I thought one of these might be quite good. You know, one of the hamsters. Because the dog can chase it as well. Only £5.
Just cool.
If you were actually having a party though, these would be really good for... Oh.
I like it.
Oh, okay. For party bags. 'Cause it's all dirt cheap, isn't it? Pound. But it's all crap. Amelie, can you go and put that back now, please? Good girl. Amy, look.
Is that Pepper?
Thomas. Yeah, they have got a Thomas one.
That's a Thomas Mega Block. to build on him. You store him inside Thomas.
But it's then Thomas has actually got to live.
Oh yeah? You done this?
No, this is what I looked at. You get a track down there, and then you get these, and then they all connect up and they go round the track.
Yeah, you can get that better track.
Yeah.
Yeah, pause.
Nope. Massive, massive flash sale on all of these things. It's brilliant. Need to start getting Christmas presents with the prices that are in here. Do you want this one or not? The thing is, she's in the store, so everything's amazing.
Got some track there. Dinosaur one.
Oh yeah.
That's buzz, isn't it? You don't buzz.
It's only $14.99, but it's like that plastic stuff again now. I'll get it in reverse. Sorry about that, guys. Ooh, I'm sat on something. God, I hate reversing off our drive. Righty-ho! On the phone again. I'm off to meet my mum and one of my best friends because it's my birthday. Yeah, it's my birthday. So I've literally just been and had my nails done. I don't know if you can see them. I mean, that's really like impossible for you to see them. I don't think you can see them. I'm gonna try and I'm gonna stop attempting to show you what my nails look like. Oh, I'm sat on my hair. I'm not sat on it, but you know what I mean. It's not like walking along the meadow. I'm like squashing my hair. So basically, I'm off to have lunch with my mum and Hannah, going for a birthday lunch at a place called Church Farm, in a little place called Anslow. That's not far away from us. It's really, really cute. And they've got like a little farm there. So normally, if I go with Amelie, like we'll go around the farm, and they've got alpacas, and it's all just so cute. But we are not with Amelie today. Amelie is at the childminders. I dropped her off at 10 o'clock, and it's just, it's my day. It is my day to enjoy myself child-free. Now, don't get me wrong, I love being a mum, as I'm sure all mums out there will agree. It's so lovely, but you need that time away, and this is my time away. Basically, having my nails done and going to eat. Because who doesn't love to eat? Like, right now, I would love just to have, like, you know, a little car sing-along, but I can't do a car sing-along because I can't have music on, because otherwise YouTube will tell me off. Pretty much nearly got run over by that massive lorry. There's one thing I can't stand in life, that's Sunday drivers. Oh God, I hate Sunday drivers. People that drive so slow, like they are actually more of an issue to the road than the people that drive fast. And people that drive really, really quick, and people that don't know their side of the road, which was about to be me, but I start myself. People that don't know their side of the road, oh, it infuriates me. Oh, come on, Ducky. We haven't got all day. God. That was a Sunday driver. Oh, we've got one coming up that don't know their side of the road. Absolutely hilarious. You see, you mention two of them, you get two of them. My camera's on charge, which means that I'm probably not going to film the Church Farm meal on my phone because it probably look a bit crap. Like, it's not too bad for like filming little drives and that, but you know, you want a bit of quality to the channel. You know, we're just going to sit and basically chat like women do. And then, yeah, I'll really catch up with you later. See what you're all cracking up to. Well, not technically seeing what you're up to, you're seeing what I'm up to, but you know. Where are we, Am?
We're here to see the monkeys. You gone shy?
What have we come to see, Amy?
The monkeys.
Have we come to see the monkeys?
What have you gone shy for? Let's just get that.
Okay.
Film when she's at.
We're at Trentham Monkey Forest and Amelie's excited to see the monkeys. You excited to see the monkeys, Am? Yeah. Yeah?
And shall we go? Shall we go then? Let's go.
Let's go to see the monkeys. Oh yeah.
Quite a nice experience. You got dirty knees, Am.
You came along, couldn't look away. Somehow you turned my life completely upside down. And since you've been gone, there's no peace of mind. My foolish heart and healing thought I would be fine. No matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you.
Pardon?
There's never any music stop.
No, there's not. They're more like deeper as you get in. So we have come to, is it Stoke-on-Trent?
Yeah.
Stoke-on-Trent, Trentham Gardens, Monkey Forest. In the rain, as you do.
Right. I'll put you down then. Right, go on then, hold hands.
Do you want to have a look, Anne? Are you ready? We're going to go round here, look, and have a look and see if we can find some monkeys. Are you going to like them? Yeah, that's good.
It's a one.
But every time I think these scars are about to mend, no matter where I lay my head, another town, another bed. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. Nobody got the magic touch, how you make my heart rush. Why is that so hard to find? Nothing better than your kiss, something that I can't resist. Can't forget the night you. No matter who I try to love, it's always you I'm thinking of. No matter what I do, I'm still gonna be dreaming of you. Your silhouette dancing on the wall. I try to close my eyes, but then I hear you call. Yeah, your perfume that I still can smell.
Please excuse the state of my skin. Oh my god. I've got one in my eyebrow. Oh, what? What even is that? I've broke out so bad this past couple of days. I don't know if it's the weather, stress. I don't know what it is. I've never had one in my eyebrow. What's that about? Anyway, so completely forgot to close the birthday weekly vlog.
so I'm doing it now. It was a very random mishmash, is it mishmash, however you say it, of a vlog, I do know, but our week was like that. It was just like, we're doing this, then we're doing this. So yeah, you basically saw it as it was. I am putting up another vlog in the next coming days, and that one is me and Amelie and Hannah went over to Trentham Gardens and we went to go and see the start of all the Christmas stuff, so that was really exciting. And then me and Jack went to Bicester. It was awful. To be quite honest, I don't even think I got much about Bicester on there other than how rubbish it was. So make sure you check out that. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do and click the notification bell so that you don't miss that one. And please like this video if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you liked in the comment section below, and let me know if you quite liked the vlog style instead of like sit down videos, all that sort of thing. Just let me know. Yeah, I'm literally so ready for bed. This week has been, it's been a crazy week. I'm due to go back to university next week as well, so I think I might vlog a little bit of that because I have got no idea what it's going to be like. It's going to be interesting, that's for sure. So take care everybody, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.